Welcome guys back to another video, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and testing out my new GoPro. And you may be asking yourself, Dane, how did you get a GoPro? Well, my lovely grandma wants me to become famous, so she bought me a GoPro. If you enjoy this video, how about you like and subscribe? I've never done an unboxing video before, so this is going to be a first. Let's get straight into it. Getting the GoPro out. Woo. There's the app I have to download. Got some GoPro stickers. Subscribe to GoPro and Trouser Trout Fishing. The manual. And let me get out the actual camera. And then here's the actual camera. Woo. Let me get the other one on too. Alright, so this is what the GoPro looks like without any of that tape stuff on it. Looking pretty slick, if I do say so myself. And the other stuff that's in the box, we have the charger. We have the GoPro like harness strap thingy, and then we have a sticky one that I guess you can like stick to stuff, and then we have, if I can get it out, we have this little knob thing that screws the GoPro onto the harness, and that's pretty much it. So I'll catch you guys at the creek, and once we get there we can start fishing with it. See you guys there. Alright, so we're here at the creek, and putting the GoPro on the chest, it feels really compact and really light. Feels like I can jump around, maybe do some jumping jacks, maybe get in a fight, maybe hit a cartwheel real quick. Yeah. But yeah, it feels really good on the chest, and we're gonna go to the first hole and see if we can catch us a fish. Alright, so hopefully the audio is pretty good on this. And it is going to be a little bit challenging to see what I'm doing because the screen is really tiny, but I am going to be fly fishing today, and I'm going to be fly fishing with, maybe you can see it, it's like this little like fly looking dude, but I think he's going to be pretty good for today. It is pretty cloudy and windy. It may rain later. Hopefully it does not rain, but if it does, I guess we're just gonna put on a rain jacket. And I do have a net because I do read your guys' comments, and apparently I am killing the fish, which I don't think I agree with, but it is what it is. I will be more careful with the fish. Hopefully the GoPro's battery is pretty good. I charged it all night, so it's at 100%. But yeah. Alright, so you guys have seen this spot a lot in my shorts and stuff like that, and it's definitely a pretty good spot to catch some fish. Let me get my gink out. This stuff right here makes the fly float. I like standing on this rock right here so I get a good POV of everything. Let's see what I've got right here. I haven't been fishing in actually quite a little bit, if you believe that or not, but I haven't forgot my talents. Forgot to bring bug spray. Not cool. Oh dude, the bugs are actually gonna be bad. I may have to run back and go get me some bug spray. Dude, the bugs are actually bad. Oh my gosh. Alright, I gotta run and go get some bug spray. 1 second. So I left my stuff back at the hole, but I'm gonna run to my truck down there It's definitely gonna be kind of hard to see, but I'm gonna see how good the stabilization is of the GoPro. All right, let's go. Oh, all right. Ooh, I'm out of breath. All right. Got the bug spray. Alrighty, I'm back at the hole from getting the bug spray. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I got a little dink. What the flip is this little fish? Oh my gosh. Well, I guess it is theoretically a fish, but this is definitely the smallest fish I have ever caught. But it is theoretically our first fish. He did eat this thing, which is pretty impressive, to be honest with you. But definitely can't leave this spot on that. That's terrible. Oh my gosh, not another one of these. It's another one of these little guys. Bye bye, little buddy. Alrighty. After that little catch, I'm gonna go on to the second hole of the day and see if I can do any better, because that was depressing. Alrighty, so we're here at spot number 2, and hopefully I can catch a bigger fish than what I had at the last spot. Let me see if I can hop over to one of these rocks and not get freaking wet, yo. Oh my gosh, son. One just came up and absolutely just clobbered my fly, but I just missed it. Alright, it's out. Maybe he'll bite it again. Ah. Dude, what the? This daggum leaf off me. I'm so confused how that thing was stuck on me. Alrighty, same spot, let's go back to it. Five more casts and then I'm freaking out of here. Yo. 5 more casts and then I'm gonna call it quits on this spot. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And last cast magic. Number 5. Nope. No luck at spot number 2. But hopefully number 3, we can get it going. Alrighty, so we're here at spot number 3, and I've caught a lot of trout here before. So let's see if we can maybe get one. Today's been a little bit of a struggle, but you'll have that when you're fishing. It turned out to be a pretty nice day. Not too cold, not too hot. Nice little breeze. Yeah, but I really enjoy this spot just because it's a really high chance of you catching a lot of fish. In one of my shorts, I caught like 4 brook trout here. So, yeah, maybe I can snag one. And yes, I did change my fly because my other one, the wing broke on it, which is kind of sad. I had really good luck standing over here and then throwing it to the other side, and there's usually a lot of fish there. Got him. Got one. Got one. Woo! Told you. Let me get out the net. Come on, little buddy. Stay with me now. Get in the net. He's in the net. Okay, good. I was videotaping. For a second there, thought I wasn't videotaping. First trout of the day. It took long enough. Let's see, little buddy. Definitely took long enough. Nope. He's a pretty brook trout. And I barely hooked him. And there he goes. Alright. Safe releases only around here. I'm gonna see if I can catch one more maybe, and then be done for today. But I think this video has been good to test out the GoPro, see what it looks like. So maybe I can just absolutely demolish one more. Don't know where the British accent came from, but oh my gosh, I just missed one. Oh my gosh. It happens, you know. Fly fishing, I've realized that you're probably gonna miss more fish than you catch. Because today, by itself, I've missed like a lot. Got him. Oh my gosh. Oh. Son, these fish are really, really aggressive. No, don't go that way. Keep the tension good. Fight with it just a little bit. Okay. Yeah, this one's definitely a little fighter, not even gonna lie. I gotta keep the tension good. Pull him in right here. Get the net down, because apparently nets are important. Where'd he go? This one's actually pretty big. Come on now, yeah, in the net he goes. Another one. This one's definitely a little bigger. Ooh, for my last one, I'm gonna try to do like those water releases. Have you seen them? I bet you guys have seen them. This one's definitely a lot bigger than the last one. Hopefully that water release was pretty cool. And yeah, I think that's the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed the GoPro. I really enjoy it. It's really lightweight, and I think it's great for fishing. So like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.